Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
A chicken wing occurs when the lead elbow bends and lifts past 90 degrees at impact. Start by observing slow motion or video from down the line and face on. The telltale sign is the lead elbow pointing away from the body while the trail side collapses. Measure elbow height intuitively. Many players show the lead elbow about 3.5 inches above the wrist at impact. Note also that this pattern causes an open club face, a weak pull or slice, and lost distance. Diagnosing correctly guides the fixed steps. Practice the towel drill to keep the lead arm extended through impact for 3 to 5 swings. Place a short towel under the lead armpit and swing without dropping it. Use the baton drill to train a one-piece takeaway and maintain wrist set at 45 degrees. Hold a light baton across the chest and feel rotation. Apply half-swing reps at 50% speed, focusing on extension and rotation for 50 to 100 reps. Progress only when you can hold a straight lead arm. Rotate the torso 2 to 3 inches under the lead arm to prevent elbow flying out. Think of turning into the shot rather than pulling with the arms. Work on impact position. Lead arms slightly bent 1/4, wrists firm, club face square, and hands ahead of the ball. This promotes compression and solves a weak slice. Track progress with video every week and add weight training for triceps and rotator cuff to support extension. Commit to a 6 to 8 week practice plan with measured reps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.